Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Basic Engineering Project. Today you will learn about safety device tester. You can see on that round surface there are two tester. One is green color tester, another is red color tester. You people already know the green color tester. Actually this is contact type screwdriver type tester. This tester generally electrician use. Contact type screwdriver tester means this is the contact part of the tester. At the time when this contact part contact with live or line phase or voltage, AC voltage, then a milliampere current flow through the tester through your body, and after that a neon bulb is present into the tester. This tester glow. So I will show you how to operate. You can see this is a multi socket board. This is a 3-pin socket. Right side you can see denoted by L. This is live, means phase, here voltage present, and left side denoted by N. This is neutral, and the top you can see earth sign, ground sign. This is a ground. So now I enter the tip metal part of the tester. You can see the tester is glowing. It means there are power present, voltage present. As soon as I touch the cap of the tester, you can see neon bulb is glowing, and this way you can check where line present, where neutral present. I enter the neutral hole. You can see there is no glow. Neutral means virtually, theoretically, ground 0 volt. So very easily you can check the line phase voltage. This tester, one thing more, this tester is used for only low voltage. You can use this tester 110, 220 and 440 volt AC. So don't use this tester more than 500 volt. Here also inscribed on the tester surface 500 volt. So this tester don't use more than 500 volt, because if you use more than 500 volt, high current will flow through your body. Your body cell is damaged, nervous system will damage, so by which you can dead or other type of accident can be occurred. So to use or for more safe, this type of electronic tester nowadays use foreman, electrician. So this is a non-contact tester. Electronic circuit is there into the tester. This tester, there is no physical contact with line to your body, so there is no chance to current flow through your body, and this is why this tester is more safe. So there is no physical contact. Look how to operate this tester. As soon as I come to close to phase, you can see the buzzer is ringing, LED light is glowing. It means that in this area power voltage present. You can see the wire also voltage present, so indicating. So this way you can save your life. In my suggestion, you must use this type of tester, because of I have seen in my practical life nowadays technician, electrician, foreman, engineer, they use this tester for better safety purpose. So this is all about very short demonstration of tester. One thing more, this tester range is 90 volt to 1000 volt. So don't use this tester more than 1000 volt, because more than 1000 volt or high voltage, there another type of arrangement of non-contact tester. There are insulator rod mounting tester, this type of tester. Some insulator rod is present, and at the top of the insulator the tester electronic circuit is mounted. So only you can use this tester. This tester range is 90 to 1000 volt. So 90 to 1000 volt you can very easily use, and you can save your body. So this is all about the tester. So thank you, and if you really like this video and get little bit benefit after watching this video, please subscribe my channel, like, share and comments. Thank you.